Healing a broken heart is a profoundly personal journey that requires time, patience, and a compassionate approach toward oneself. When a relationship ends, it's natural to experience a whirlwind of emotions, including sadness, anger, confusion, and even relief. Here, I'll share some effective ways to mend a broken heart that will help you on your journey to healing and recovery. Number 1, allow yourself to grieve. Allowing oneself to grieve is an essential first step. Grief is a natural response to loss, and suppressing these emotions can prolong the healing process. It's important to acknowledge and accept your feelings without judgment. Cry if you need to, talk about your pain, and don't rush the process. Everyone grieves differently, and it's crucial to give yourself the space and time to heal at your own pace. Number 2, seek support. Seeking support from friends and family can be incredibly beneficial. During such a vulnerable time, surrounding yourself with people who care about you can provide comfort and a sense of security. Talking to trusted friends or family members about your feelings can offer a fresh perspective and help alleviate some of the burden. Additionally, joining a support group can connect you with others who are experiencing similar emotions, offering mutual support and understanding that you're not alone in your pain. Number 3, take care of yourself. Taking care of your physical health is just as important as tending to your emotional well-being. During times of emotional distress, it's easy to neglect basic self-care. Ensure you're eating nutritious meals, staying hydrated, getting sufficient sleep, and engaging in physical activities. Exercise, even something as simple as a daily walk, can boost your mood and energy levels by releasing endorphins. Number 4, engage in activities you enjoy. Rediscovering hobbies and interests can provide a much-needed distraction and help reintroduce a sense of normalcy and pleasure into your life. Number 5, set boundaries. Setting boundaries with your ex-partner can be necessary for healing, whether it means limiting contact or avoiding certain places. Giving yourself space is crucial. This physical and emotional distance can help you process your feelings and prevent reopening emotional wounds. Number 6, consider professional help. If your pain feels overwhelming or prolonged, seeking help from a therapist or counselor can provide guidance and support in navigating your emotions. Number 7, practice mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help you stay grounded in the present and reduce anxiety. These practices encourage you to focus on the here and now rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. They can help you find inner peace and regain control over your thoughts and emotions. Number 8, give it time. Time is perhaps the most critical factor in healing a broken heart. There is no set timeline for recovery, and it's essential to be patient with yourself. Healing is not linear, and you may have good days and bad days. Embrace this journey with self-compassion, allowing yourself to heal at your own pace. Number 9, focus on the future. Looking towards the future can also be a powerful motivator. Setting new goals and planning for new experiences can give you something to look forward to, helping to shift your focus from the past to the possibilities that lie ahead. Number 10, embrace forgiveness. Forgive yourself and your ex-partner. Holding on to anger and resentment can prolong your suffering. Letting go of these negative emotions can free you to move on. Number 11, write about your feelings. Writing about your feelings through journaling can be therapeutic. It provides a safe space to express your thoughts and emotions, helping you make sense of them. Journaling can also serve as a record of your progress, showing you how far you have come. Number 12, connect with nature. Connecting with nature can offer a sense of peace and healing. Whether through a hike, a walk in the park, or simply sitting by a body of water, the tranquility and beauty of the natural world can provide solace and a sense of perspective. In conclusion, healing a broken heart is a multifaceted process that requires a compassionate approach and a willingness to embrace both the pain and the growth that comes with it. By allowing yourself to grieve, seeking support, taking care of your physical and emotional health, setting boundaries, and looking towards the future, you can navigate this difficult time and emerge stronger and more resilient.